What's up guys, I'm back and today I'm gonna talk about Galaxy Note 10 and I know the device gonna launch next year at MWC, but there are some leaks that we got which reveal the device design and concept, how this device gonna look and how the company is trying to develop this device. So today I've got all of the rumors and leaks. Our report claimed the device gonna come with 6.66-inch AMOLED panel. It is larger than the Note 9 6.4-inch AMOLED panel. And according to this report, the Galaxy Note 10 has more aspect ratio due to this cutout notch and the Samsung new Infinity display design. And this device offers 8% more surface area than the Galaxy Note 9's. According to some rumors, the device is not going to have any headphone jack, and this rumor is based on Samsung Galaxy Fold, which doesn't have any headphone jack. And Samsung Galaxy Fold is a foldable device, and this 3.5mm headphone jack could be creating any problem in this folding mechanism, so they had to remove it. But in the Galaxy Note 10, I don't think they are going to remove it. But the latest report claims the device is not going to have any hardware buttons. This rumor is so much interesting because this rumor says the device is not going to have any hardware button for the power and volume and Bixby key. And this rumor says Samsung has developed some kind of technology like pressure sensitive touch control. Due to that, you can increase or decrease your volume or power off or on your device. If this thing is true, then we have to admit Samsung is really making innovative things, and they are changing the design of the phones, and they are bringing keyless entry to your smartphone like cars. And we have seen in the Samsung Galaxy S10 how they made the cutout in the display, and the screen looks beautiful and design is also very creative. So Samsung is really pushing the boundaries and making their smartphone innovative. New report from Sam Mobile claimed the device is gonna have 4 cameras, and this could be true because we have seen this type of setup in Samsung Galaxy A9 previous year, and we can't confirm this because we haven't got any detail about the cameras for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Galaxy Note 10 gonna be powered by Snapdragon 855 chipset, and it's gonna come up with 12 gigabytes of RAM along with 1 terabyte of internal storage. This is a higher end variant, and you will also get a lower end variant of 8 gigabyte RAM along with 128 gigabytes of internal storage. The report also claimed the device has a 5G enabled variant. Price of this device is yet to be confirmed, and you should keep in mind the device is gonna have higher price than the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. That's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video you will get the notification. Until next time, peace out.